Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on the EveryDollar application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the EveryDollar app on your device, within which you have not logged out from your account. When you open it up, you will directly be taken into the Today page. When you tap on the Accounts option at the bottom, this will take you into the bank account setup page. So go back to the home page and then tap on the account icon at the top right corner. From here, if you scroll down a little bit, you will see the sign out button. In order to sign out, just click on this and you will now be logged out from your account on the EveryDollar application. To log back in, you can tap on the sign in button and log in using a different account if you wish. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on the EveryDollar application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials. Also ring that notification bell to not miss more updates from us. Thank you for watching and I'll see you again in the next one.